Hey guys, Jacob here with ZZ Diesel. Just wanted to talk to you guys about some offerings that we have in our service facility here in-house that you can actually come to if you're local or even if you're not local. We have guys that travel from all over the country to come to our service facility. We do have a state-of-the-art facility. It's over in behind us right now here, but I want to talk about B&W hitches today. We are proud to offer B&W hitches installed in our facility. You can purchase them from us here in-house, or you can call us even if you want one shipped to you online. We do not offer them on our website currently, but we will ship them to you if you call in. We can special order them for you and get them shipped out. We offer the regular Turnoverball Gooseneck hitches. This is probably one of our #1 sellers for guys towing every day, as well as fifth wheel hitches, as you can see over here. There are a few different options for both of these. If you want to call in and speak with us, we can get you helped out as far as what's going to be best for you. And lastly, we also offer our tow and stow adjustable ball hitches that are available from B&W. These are a great hitch. They're really simple, and they just have pins. You adjust them up and down and can flip them over from size to size depending on what your application is. Come check us out here at ZZ Diesel. We're located at 1836 West State Road 18 in Kokomo, Indiana. We are north of Kokomo though. We do have a Kokomo address, but we are just a little bit north of Kokomo. We're actually 1 mile east of the State Road 18 and 31 intersection. Stop by, check us out, and we welcome anybody to come into our facility.